Oh, right now we're gonna go for birthday celebration. We got a gift for my dear Malcolm. I don't know whether you guys can read this or not. Yeah, but you're thinking how this present is so wrapped nicely. It's not by me. It was done by my mom. But the writing is from me, of course. See this beautiful handwriting? Yes, that's from me. So today is 19th of May, I think. Is today the 19th? Hello?
It is, okay? Put the seatbelt, okay?
Okay. So today is the 19th. We're gonna celebrate Malcolm's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 21st, Malcolm.
像我的，你没拿错。
No, it's mine. It's confirm mine. It's confirm mine. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for the leave. Bye bye. Okay guys, so I have very bad news for you guys. Actually it's not bad news for you because it's technically for me, because I can cut it out and you guys can like immediately skip to the part where I finally get there. But the problem is I went to the wrong side of the road and I actually missed the bus. So the next bus is like 30 minutes later. Okay, here's how the traffic flow, okay? This side is the road going towards where I'm headed to. So I thought the bus would be here, but apparently the bus isn't, and the bus is all the way on the other side there. So it's actually like pretty weird. When the bus is supposed to go there, it's actually on the road that goes over there. So it doesn't quite make sense. Okay guys, so this walkway that you see here is super smelly and super stuffy. It's not a nice place to be for a long time, man. Seriously. In fact, to be honest, it smells like piss and sweat. Oh man, nasty. Look at this guys, this looks like a school bus. Bloody hell man, just got off the bus and I can easily say that was one of the top 10 most toxic bus rides I ever had. It's not because of the driver, but it's because of the people inside. Oh my god, oh what the heck man, they look like 20 plus, they look like 18, they look like they are matured, but they act like they are like preschool kids. After walking for like 10 plus minutes, I finally reached. I don't know whether you guys can see this. Yup, that's the number 22. What the hell, guys? This is super embarrassing, man. I thought it was 22, so I went to number 22. But it turns out it was number 2, and it was like 10-minute walks down. I mean, if I go by number 2, I would have reached there within like 5 minutes, like super quick. The hell man, I wasted all this time and I was just standing there like an idiot at the party and nobody know me at all. What the heck? This is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing.
A few moments later.
This is my man, Malcolm. He is 21st. Happy birthday, dude. What a man. Next important question. Do you have a charger, like a charging point?
There's a plug, but no plug.
Okay. Thanks. I realized something. Before I eat the food, I need to show you guys how awesome it is. So right now they're gonna have a cake cutting session. Before they do that, I'm gonna show you guys the cake. She used to be my kindergarten principal, believe it or not. And she's my, that's her husband. And that's my kindergarten teacher. And that's her daughter. Oh, what a cute little daughter. Look at what this little one is trying to do. Take picture again. She'll grow up to be a photographer. So as of right now, our birthday boy Malcolm is taking photos with his family. Apparently it's a very huge family. Having a big family is always good. This is his 21st birthday speech.
Mom, love you all.
What a man! What a man!
And to my friends, those that grew up with me, thank you all for being my friends. And so, been through a lot together. So really thank you all for all the joy and all the not so joy that we go through.
This is a tradition of every 21st birthday party. Having cake thrown on your face. Say my name, say my name.
What's your name?
Bye bye, Felice. FLIZ, right? No, cool people don't high five. Cool people fist bump. Come on,
High five. Choose.
come on, fist bump.
Oh, both. Oh, that works too.
No,
Okay.
no.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Have a safe trip back. Bye bye. Right now, Malcolm and me are gonna play a game. How many players? 4 players. I just won the game with our dear MVP here, Malcolm's bro. What a man! This guy.
I pushed him just
MVP.
now.
But I was the one doing all the work.
Hey.
But come on, man. Without you, we won't be a team. What a man. What a man.
Yeah, and I kick.
MVP, bro.
I don't.
MVP.
Who, me?
Yeah.
It's we.
No, but for me, it's VMVP, which means very most valuable player. Hey, Malcolm. This one I put at the table. It's your present. Yeah. Enjoy. Thanks for inviting me, man. Malcolm, my man. I hope you have a good birthday. Yeah. Most importantly, you have fun and you're happy. Yeah, I'll see you. Bye. Dude, we will play a game next time in the future. For sure, I promise.
Why would we get?
But you must tell your brother. Together, you must ask your brother to play with
The
us.
red guy.
I'll promise you to play a game. Okay. By the way, if you haven't seen my channel, it's called Lord of Thought. These people right here are the number of people waiting for the last bus. Technically, I made it for like the second last bus, but the problem is we ran after it, and the driver didn't see us at all running, so we had to wait for another 15 minutes. What a drag, man. Three minutes late. 3 minutes late. Okay guys, so finally back home. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I didn't really enjoy it. Reason being, I lost my charger at the end. Oh man. But most importantly, gotta thank Malcolm for inviting me. Such a nice guy. Hope he has a good 21st. Malcolm, if you're watching this, happy 21st. I hope you enjoyed the present. So without further ado, I'm gonna end the video here. You guys, like the content and whatever, you can click that red button and you can like and do whatever, all that nonsense. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Lord of Thought. Goodbye and peace out. Wait. Hey, sup Richie? What's up? No, wait. What are you doing? The hell, man, I wasted all this time. And I was just standing there like an idiot at a party and nobody know me at all. What the heck? This is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. This is like my top 10, man. One of my top 10. Ridiculous.